We're now following the road ahead, then following the signs for the city centre. Do we need to signal?
Yeah.
Now come into the far left hand corner. Quick glance at your speed. You shouldn't be doing 15 here, you should be still going around 20. And then reducing your speed for your junction if you need to. That's fine. Now look at your secondary traffic lights. That's good. And follow the road ahead. Keep speed something again. You'll go to 30, then you'll drop your speed down to 15 again. So keep looking at something again. Slow the car down a little. Keep a constant speed. Try and start having a constant speed. The reason for that is if there's anything coming towards you, you'll have enough time to adjust your driving accordingly. Stay in your lane. You're worrying other drivers, okay? Look at the flow markings and keep your car within the white lines. What colour is your traffic light? The reason I asked that was he was coming into your lane, which means you'd have to brake earlier to accommodate him, and the cars behind you are getting significantly close because we're braking late. Let the traffic lights go ahead. It's happening again, come to the left. Look at the road markings and don't let that white line come under the car when you're driving. So don't let it leave that right hand side corner. Keep it away from the car. That way you'll always be in your lane. So look at the line and it should be on the right hand side of that pillar. Okay? Always keep it on the right hand side, and that way you'll always remain inside your lane. And the more you drive, the more confident you get, the easier that will get. You can see the traffic lights have just gone red, so we'll very gently start braking. Don't brake too early, otherwise you'll stop too far back. Nice and slow, nice and gentle braking. Following the road ahead.